So I hope you guys enjoyed that Galaxy Note 2 destruction. We are actually doing a collaborative giveaway with the guys in that video, Jack Douglas and Mike Diva, for any smartphone that you want. It can be a Galaxy S4, it can be an iPhone 5. As long as it's the base level model, any phone is up for grabs. If you want to be entered into that giveaway, you just have to subscribe to all of our channels, Jack's Films, Mike Diva, and GizmoSlip, and then leave a comment on this video saying which phone you want and which carrier you want it with. To subscribe to each of these different channels, all you have to do is click on the annotations here in the video or the links in the description below. If you want to check out a video that we all collaborated on, you can check out Dubstep Solves Everything 3. It's a video that we filmed, Jack directed, and Mike was one of the actors in. Really, really funny. Definitely check it out. And on each of their channels, you definitely need to watch through a few of their videos. Mike Diva is a really, really talented VFX artist, and Jack Douglas is a super, super funny comedian. He has a really great series called Your Grammar Sucks. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter, and we will see you guys next week.